What do most people think when they think of the county of Cornwall? Pasties, sea, beautiful beaches, clotted cream, holiday hotspots, traffic jams. Maybe we should all think again. In a region that often struggled to secure enough skilled people to power industry and growth, something has changed for the better. Few people fully appreciate the significant industrial heritage and the robust modern manufacturing sector that drives economic profitability at local, regional and national levels. There's a virtuous circle, a template for generating the perfect connections between employers, local government, educators and learners. Driven by the Cornwall Manufacturers Group and supported by Enginuity, Cornwall is a shining example of what can be achieved if all parties work as one. The figures speak for themselves. My message to the world is that Cornwall's special, we do some great things here, and it's not difficult. It's just about collaborating and working together, getting like-minded people into the room, sharing ideas, sharing experiences. It's tough times. We're in a tough sector, and there are things going on in the world in geopolitics that are way beyond our control. But you've seen over the past couple of days that we were a pretty resilient bunch and optimistic, and always trying, always developing, growing, thinking, come up with new ideas. It's getting people together and getting them to trust each other and to be open. The manufacturing community, the CMG meetings, they're very diverse, and some are competing companies, but they talk to each other and share best practice. And it's the same with the colleges. They're not fighting with each other. They want to work with each other and to work with industry to deliver the right thing. It shouldn't all be in silos. It's all in one big round table, and that's how to do it. And getting people to trust each other and work together and see that we're all in it for the common good of industry and manufacturing in Cornwall.
So I lead the Careers Hub across Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly. We do two things. We train schools and colleges how to deliver high quality careers programmes, and we work with businesses who want to deliver outreach. What we see is that over the past 5 years, our young people have been exposed to more engagement with local businesses, including engineering. So they're having greater contact with employers. They are more career ready. They understand their pathways better, and we're starting to see an alignment between the aspirations of young people and the opportunities within the labour market. So we're seeing a shift from the sports, arts and animal care into real opportunities such as engineering. So our 16 to 18 NEET numbers have actually reduced in the last 3 years from around 7% to just over 5%. That's partly linked to an investment of shared prosperity funding. We've recently had the Pretty Poverty report published from Plymouth Marjon University that recognises some of our structural challenges such as transport, but then places that community resilience and community engagement and that responsiveness as one of our strengths that actually plugs some of the gaps that we have within our sort of wider social infrastructure.
The company was founded 90 years ago. Next year's our 90th anniversary by my grandfather. So we're now in the third generation. We turn over about £20 million each year. We have a strategy really that we started pushing about 15 years ago, which was to become a global player. So 5 years in, we have about 10% in apprenticeships, plus all of those who have graduated as well. There is no reason that an apprentice should be producing any lower quality than anyone else in the company. We have very high expectations, but you get out what you put in, and we do invest a lot in the training of apprentices from day one.
So here at St Neville, we're on a scale-up journey. We achieved 10 million turnover last year. We're a team of 70, and when I think about growth at St Neville, I think about sustainable growth. So we're a family business, and we like to think for the long term. So here at St Neville, UK manufacturing skills are essential. And being out here on the North Cornish coast, a little bit further away, perhaps from the centre of things in terms of the UK, we've realised that we have to put a lot of energy and time and investment into developing people. So we grow our people, we put a lot of energy into our apprentices and developing local talent. So we create our own pipeline and those leaders and technical experts of the future. We see it as our responsibility to develop those young people and get them to a place that they need to be to work for us or other businesses in the community. And we partner really closely with our local colleges, Truro and Penwith College, and also Cornwall College as well.
Yeah, I think there's something quite magical about Cornwall, even in what I've seen in a relatively short space of time. This whole ethos of kind of partnership, everybody working together in collaboration for the greater good. And I think part of it is lots of people have said that everybody knows each other in Cornwall, and I think that's part of it, that sense of community, that everybody lives here, they know each other, and they want to do the right thing for the individuals who live in Cornwall, the young people coming through and creating them into and giving them opportunities to be kind of brilliant future engineers. And they see that collaboration as kind of that stepping stone of success for everybody, but particularly the region.